thing about tickles is tickles are wonderful things. The tops are made out of rubber, the bottoms are made out of springs. They bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about tickles is I'm the only one.
Well, I'm glad I got on.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.